after the European Union enacted a rule requiring all OEMs, including Apple, to utilize USB-C charging standard on all phones. Apple will therefore finally transition from using the Lightning port for charging with the iPhone 15 lineup. Although Apple profits billions of dollars per year from licensing its Lightning port technology to other businesses, this was a tremendous gain for us customers and a loss for Apple. If they go to USB-C, they would forfeit all of that simple money. Apple thus came up with a workaround. Apple made the decision to include a tiny chip within the USB-C port to restrict the USB-C functioning on the iPhone 15 lineup for cables that are not Apple approved. In other words, if you have a Samsung cable or any other USB-C cable, it won't work well. It will charge more slowly and transmit data more slowly. Apple is taking this action for two reasons. First, so that you may purchase the USB-C cable directly from Apple, and second, so that any other companies who wish to produce USB-C cables for iPhones must first enroll in the Made for iPhone program and pay royalties to Apple. In any scenario, Apple is profiting like it did with its Lightning port technology. We were all expecting that the EU would step in and halt this folly before it formally occurs in September, and that's precisely what is happening. This would contradict the fundamental purpose for needing USB-C as a worldwide connection. In a letter to Apple, the European Commissioner issued a warning that any effort to restrict the operation of USB-C connectors in iPhones would be in violation of the impending EU regulation and would make it impossible for these phones to be sold in the EU. Additionally, according to the source, the EU Commission cautioned Apple in March that devices that do not meet the requirements for the single charger will not be approved on the EU market. Sincerity be damned, I am very appreciative of the European Union's attempts to shield us from the turmoil of private connections. The issue is that this EU regulation won't become mandatory until December 28, 2024, so Apple theoretically has time to add a chip to the USB-C and restrict its functionality to the iPhone 15 lineup. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.